Welcome to Audit Gurus, where audit is simplified to a form that the brain can synthesize. If you're an audit student, you are an audit trainee, or you are an existing auditor who wants to remind themselves of the principles, the guidelines, and some of the concepts governing the audit practitioner, you are in the right place. If you like this kind of content, or if it relates to you, kindly like this video, share this video, subscribe to the channel for more of this type of content. In today's video, we are going to discuss International Standard on Accounting 220. Quality control for audit of financial statements specifies the quality control procedures that should be applied by the engagement team in audit assignments. These procedures include, first and foremost, the competence of the engagement team. There should be procedures in place to ensure that the engagement team has the skills and expertise required to perform the audit engagement. The engagement partner should assess that the auditor has the technical know-how, the ability to apply professional judgment, the ability to apply professional skepticism, and experience in audit engagement. The second procedure is planning and direction. The engagement team should be directed by the engagement partner. Procedures should be undertaken to ensure that the team understands the objective of the work they are to perform, their responsibilities, and the approach to the performance of the audit. The third point is client acceptance procedures. There should be full documentation and conclusion on ethical and client acceptance issues in each audit assignment. Please note that these client acceptance procedures, there always are new and fresh lists in every audit. If the client had given procedure acceptance procedures last audit, in the current audit they will be required to give another client acceptance procedures. The engagement partner should consider whether members of the audit team have complied with ethical requirements. For example, whether all members of the audit team are independent of the client. This will avoid issues such as familiarity, self-interest, threats, and the likes. The next point is arrange for consultation. When faced with difficult matters, the engagement partner should consult. This is done where a matter is discussed with a professional outside the engagement team and the audit firm. Consultation must be documented. For example, if you are engaging in an audit assignment in a field that your firm is not familiar with, and your colleagues and auditors in another firm have engaged in a similar exercise in that field, you can consult about how to go about the engagement. And such consultation should, for example, be through email, whereby you can write an email and they can respond via email. Then you can have those emails printed out for documentation. The second last point is supervision. Supervision is critical, and there should be continuity of supervision during the engagement. The main objective for this is to ensure that members of the audit team are carrying out their work in accordance with the planned approach to the engagement. Lastly, review of audit work. All work performed must be reviewed by a most senior member of the audit team. This is one of the key qualities of quality control procedures. Please note that supervision and review of work are two separate points. Supervision is done while the work is in progress. Review is done when the work is completed by a more senior member. And this marks the end of our lesson today. Please follow us for such short, simplified content to improve your audit skills. Thank you. Welcome to Audit Gurus, where audit is simplified to a form that the brain can synthesize. If you're an audit student, you are